Today we will discuss about the variable number of arguments. Okay. In which scenarios we can pass the variable number of arguments? Okay. You are not sure about how many arguments you are passing to the function. Sometimes there is the scenarios like getting the grade or getting the average heights. We are not sure like how many members are joining, and we have to get the average height of the people who are participating in sports, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In those cases, we have to pass the variable length arguments. Okay, we will see like how to pass the variable length arguments. Okay, now see the function signature. Okay, now I am printing print details. Okay. We are not sure what we are passing also. Print details I am passing and I am mentioning star arcs. This is the scenario I am printing. Here what I am doing was for wherein arcs wherein arcs I am printing just inside for loop where I am taking. Okay, now we will invoke this function details with I will pass with Naveen. See, it will take it. It is printing, right, Naveen? Now I'll print with Krish, comma
हो जाएगा.
Krish, comma 22. Yes, I'm passing. See, I am passing different number of arguments and I am printing those things. See here it is printing, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know how many arguments you are passing?
No.
No, right?
No. Yeah.
Just I'm making some decoration. Okay. You are printing Naveen. You are printing Krish. You are printing S details. Do anywhere you pass the same number of arguments?
No.
No, right?
Yeah.
This function. Did you understand this concept? You are
Yeah.
passing
Yeah.
in this way. Star args means it can take any variable number of arguments.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now I will take one more example. Okay. What I will do was I will get the average of marks. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'll do is
Mm.
get average marks. What we can do? Count equal to 0. For marks in args, okay, if I am able to do marks, if I am able to get count equal to count plus 1,
Yeah.
some value is equal to 0, taking marks we are doing right,
Yeah.
some value is equal to 0. Right now you got all the sum values. Now what you will do was you are printing the details, how many subjects are there, number of subjects you passed, total, dot format of dot format of what will count comma some value, average is equal to value count. If count greater than 0, right? Otherwise divide by 0 error exception will come, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now what we are doing, we are printing the details. Okay, now the same function I can do like this. Get average marks of, I am giving empty. First we will check with empty, right? Number of marks total 0, average marks 0, agree?
Yeah.
If I pass one subject, why total 10?
Actually,
Subjects 1, total 10, 1 second, line 21, line 16.
the count should be less than the argument length, right?
No need,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, it will be equal. Now see, got it? I passed one subject, I'm getting 10, agree? Average 10.
Yeah.
Now I'll make a 20 comma 30. It is 25, agree?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we'll pass 6 subjects. 6 subjects I passed. This is giving 6 subjects average. Got it?
Yeah.
Clear? You can do how many subjects you, whenever you want to pass, you can do it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Now, whenever I am passing, okay, I am passing the roll number. Okay, get average marks for this roll number, right? Or name, we
Yes.
can pass, right? We can do like that also, right?
Yep.
This is one way. Now what I am doing was, you can pass name as one argument, and later you can pass variable number of arguments. Agree?
Yeah.
Okay, name I will give Chris. Chris. Naveen. If I won't pass, okay, let me explain that one. If I won't pass the argument here, it will throw error because it is expecting name.
Yep.
It is expecting name, right?
Yep.
Now pause the Chris. Average marks. Average mark. Student. E. Dot. Test patience sometimes. Format of okay, what is this name, right?
Yep.
Average marks for the student is this one. Now I'm printing for Krish. Krish got 0, right?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. Now I will do the same thing. Now see, it will show this one. Correct? If you are mentioning some
Yes.
argument, you have to pass this one. You are mentioning variable number of arguments with the star. Remember, you are passing as a star arguments and you are iterating to get the details.
Hmm.
Then you are doing as a normal function. Any queries till now?
Okay.
Any queries?
No.
Sir, can you explain 11, 12, 13 line?
Okay, see here you are passing variable number of arguments. You are passing as a list. I am taking as a star args that value variable number of arguments I am representing. Args treat that one as a, any sequence data type you are following. I am printing for marks in args. Whatever the args I am iterating. I am iterating that args. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will discuss about the scope of a variable. What is the meaning of scope?
Where like which places can we use that particular variable? Which functions can we use?
Making into slices.
Global variable and local variable. Local variable is like you can use in only that function. Global is like you can use in any function.
Okay. Test scope of a function. Okay. How you will decide whether it is a local variable or global variable based on what you decide?
When we define, like a definition of that variable,
Okay, we'll do one.
where you define it.
Yeah. Now printing content. Okay. Now here I'm taking name equal to print inside function name equal to now what I am doing, I'm invoking the function. See here you are able to print the name, right? Agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we are printing the your name details. Now I will keep one variable id number equal to equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Now I am printing the id number here. Where you are printing id number? Outside function, right?
Yeah.
Here you are able to print the id number. Outside function you are able to print the id number, right? Okay.
Mm.
Now can I print the same thing? Function name. Okay. id number.
Mhm.
Comma id number I am doing. See
No.
here I am able to print id number inside a function. Agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
We will see. Can we able to print name?
No.
Why? Why can't we print?
Because it is inside, right?
Name is not defined, right?
Not defined. Yeah.
Because once you declare the variable inside a function, once you declare the variable inside a function, that variable is available limit to that function only. Means within the function anywhere you can use the variable. Okay. Once
Okay.
it came out of that variable, function execution is over, that variable doesn't exist. Means it is a local variable, it is created on the stack. Okay. Once the function call executed over, okay, it will come out of stack frame. Means that variables or any function code won't be available outside of the function. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
But whatever the variables you declare outside of a function means that will represent entire file scope. Got it? Those variables we can
Yeah.
access from within the function also. Agree?
Yep.
Okay. Now I will do one thing. Here you are printing ID number equal to 1 2 3 4 5. I will take a scope again, one more function. Okay. Now you invoke the function, right? Invoke the function. Inside the function you are printing the value. Now
Yeah.
what I will do was ID num equal to 1000. I will give 1000. I give. Okay. What will be the value of ID number at line number 9? Okay, at line number 13, 12.
At line number 9, it is 1000,
Okay,
and at line number 12, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1 2 3 4. Okay, at line number 9, it is 1 2 3 4 5. At line number 9, it is 1000. Okay, line number 12, we are saying. Okay, now I will do one thing. I will invoke the same statement after invoking the function. After function call. After function call. Before function call. Okay, now tell me. What is your expectation at the line number 16?
Should be 1000.
Yeah, good. 1000, right? Because
Yep.
global variable, if you change it inside a function also, the new value has to reflect. Correct?
Yep.
But what is happening?
Not changing.
So still 1 2 3 4 5, right? Whatever the change you did inside a function, it is not reflecting outside.
Karan,
Agree?
can you keep this result window aside a little? I just want to compare the programming. Yeah, a little aside. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay. Yep, you got it.
Clear?
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Uh, okay, yeah, got it. Yeah.
Why it is showing like that? It has to update.
Actually, yeah, what's that?
Yeah, carry on.
Yeah, actually, it is after the function has been called, it is showing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it is outside of the function right now, right?
Uh, I didn't get what you're saying.
No,
Outside the?
as we are out of the function, like the print line, sorry, the 14th line has been executed, right? After that, on 16th line, we are
Yeah,
again coming out
correct.
of the function, right? So it is taking the 11th line answer.
Okay, but what is the meaning of global variable? Whatever, if we change the inside function also, it has to reflect outside, right?
What is that?
If you change the value inside a function also, the same values it has to reflect outside.
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay,
If
so
you the
whatever is
execute the same program in other programming language, it will show here 1000.
okay, yeah, okay.
Correct. Don't forget the basics. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Here we have to declare as a global. Means I am changing the global variable. Whenever you do assign equal to, if you put, it will treat this one as a new variable within the function. Then for that purpose we have to mention like a global ID number, means I am referring to the outside variable, global variable. Only in case of assignments it will do like this.
Okay, now what would be the answer for 17th line? 1000?
With line number 8, output will be 1000.
As global.
Yeah,
Okay,
without
with
line number
again,
8, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see the output.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
See here.
now what is the output of 13th line?
13th line will
It
be
is
same.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
1,
right?
2, 3, 4, 5
1,
only.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3,
because
4,
it is
5
not
only.
invoked. That object is not invoked before 13th line.
Okay?
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Now
got it.
see here. What I remove? Now see. Without that line, it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. Okay? With that one, it will show 1000. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you are updating any variable, assigning with assign operator, it will treat as a new one. You have to declare that one as a global. Okay, clear? Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Now we are doing this one for the normal ones. Okay, this is a normal variable. Now I will take a any data type, sequence data type, list or collection, sorry, connection data type I will take. We will take the same thing. Now what I will do was I will take one list variable. List 1 equal to I am pausing. Naveen Krish. Okay, I am printing the list 1 details now before invoking the function. One contents are list 1. Right now, print list. After function call. Okay, here ID number only printing. Okay. Now we are printing the details of list elements. Agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what I will do was list 1 equal to Kalyan. See here I am doing list 1 equal to Kalyan. Now at line number 13, what will be the list 1 value?
Kalyan. No, not Kalyan. It is
So
Naveen
list
and
one
Krish.
value will be Naveen and Krish, and the
Krish.
list
Yeah.
after press to print info it will be Kalyan.
No. It would be Naveen and Krish because it is not given as global. No?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Right.
Okay, now I need what is the output of line number 11, what is the output of line number 13, what is the output of line number 8.
Line number 8 is Kalyan.
Okay,
Line number 11 is Naveen and Krish. And 13 would be Naveen and Krish.
Naveen and Krish.
okay.
Yeah.
First, before function call, Naveen and Krish. Okay, inside a function,
Yeah.
it is having Kalyan. Outside a function, it is having
Naveen.
Naveen and Krish. Agree?
Naveen and Krish.
Yeah.
Now, global list 1. Now tell me, what is the output of line number 14?
Line number 14 is Kalyan.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I will do was just one dot append of now what is the output of line number 10, line number line number 11, 13, 8?
So
Naveen.
line number 10 is
Line number 8 is Kalyan.
line number
Line number 11 is Naveen and Krish, and 13 would be Kalyan. That's it.
I guess line number 11 will be sorry, line number 11 will be Navin and Krish, and then
Okay,
line number 8 will be
Yeah.
Navin, Krish, Kalyan, and then
okay.
again line number 13 will be
No,
Navin.
11th would be
Wait,
Naveen
wait,
and
wait,
Krish, and
wait,
13 would
wait.
be Kalyan.
One by one, one by one. Okay.
Yeah.
Line number 13, what is the output?
Okay.
Okay,
Line
take
number
Naveen.
13 would be Kalyan.
Okay, Naveen.
Naveen Krish.
Okay, okay, fine. Naveen, Krish, only two elements. Okay, what about Yash?
I'm saying 11th would be like Naveen and Krish,
Forget about
and
11th.
13th would
Okay,
be
I
like
need only
Kalyan.
13. I need only 13.
Okay. Kalyan.
Okay, what about Krishna?
Kalyan, sir.
Kalyan. Okay, now see. Okay, line number 11, as per your expectation, Naveen and Krish will come. Okay, Naveen and Krish will come. Okay, line number 7. Okay, we are appending, we are updating the operations. Means whatever the list we have, we are updating. Okay, those things will come. Okay, in case of line number 13, it will print Naveen, Krish, Kalyan. Because if you are doing update operations, no need to keep a global. Whatever you did inside the changes, it will reflect outside. If you are assigning equal using equal to operator, if you are assigning using equal to operator for sequence data type, then only it will treat as a new variable inside a function. Otherwise it will treat as a
Okay.
if you global variable if it is available. Okay, this is one
Okay.
of the important topic and
Got
confusing
it.
topic.
Yeah.
Now,
So
what
yeah.
is
So
the
append will all.
output of 11th line?
Okay, one second.
Kalyan.
Okay, you can check one second.
So append is always kind of global operation, right?
Correct. Not
So wherever
append,
you do append, it will
not
reflect
not only append, whatever the update operations. If you have a
update
some
operation.
sequence
Okay,
data type,
update.
you are updating that thing, that sequence data type. Those things,
Okay.
no need to mention global. Always
Like
update.
sorting,
Yeah,
even sorting and all, right?
anything will come.
Okay. Okay,
No,
got it, got it.
Just once,
we
can
will
you
make it
execute
as
it?
clear. I will make it as a clear. Wait. Now, yeah. Check check the output.
Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah.
Did you understand the concept? If you are working on data type, sequence data type, any update operation, not only append, any update operation, okay,
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
refer to outside only. Other than assignment,
So,
okay, equal to you cannot use. Okay. Now
okay.
So
you
eighth
can.
line is taking like the global variable, the list one, the 10th line also it is taking, right?
Yeah,
Naveen, Krish and Kalyan.
yeah, correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now what I will do was list one. I will take one list two here. Okay. List two. Okay. Yes, right. Why that it is not? Okay, Ashwant, I will keep.
Yeah.
Okay, now I can extend list to not only this one, whatever the update operation, extend list to. These one also will show the same thing. Okay, it will reflect outside. Clear? Because here earlier one person is saying only append, okay, not append. Any update operations on sequence data type, it will reflect outside. Unless until if you won't use equal to sign. Okay, either plus equal to or normal equal, don't use those kind of thing. Then it will refer the global variable. Are you clear now about the global variable, local variables?
Once executed and just can I see the result right now? Just move a little bit. Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Yep, got it.
Okay. This is about the local variable and global variable. One of the confusing thing. Okay, when we have to use the global, when we have without don't need to use the local, please check. Okay, all primitive data types. Okay, okay, normal variables we have to use the global if you are referring. Okay, in case of sequence data type, okay,
Yeah.
collections, if it is related to update, automatically it will take, unless until if you use equal to. If you are using equal to means it will treat as a new variable. Okay, clear?
Okay. Yep.
This is the one second. Scope of a variable, that is the global on global. Now I will take one thing. Now see this one. Okay, now I need what is the output of line number 6, 8 and 11. Okay, I need output of line number 6, 5, 7, 10. Tell me.
For 5 it is 0. There is nothing in 5.
For 5 it is,
And for 7 it is 0. There's nothing.
It is
why
empty,
you
sir.
are
5
saying
empty.
line number 5 is there? Here we are declaring x is equal to 50, right?
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay.
Okay. Now tell me. What is the
Oh,
output
I
of line number 5?
didn't see that. No, I didn't see that.
50.
Okay, line number 7.
50.
50.
Line
Okay.
number 7 is uh, 2.
7 is
Wait.
Line number 10.
2,
6,
2.
2.
10 is 2. Sir.
Okay. If I remove the global variable, what will happen?
If you remove the global variable,
Sixth
So
line would
two,
be
it will come to
uh, 2,
but the values will be two. It
2,
is
2, yeah.
overwritten by 2.
what is the value of nile
It
number
will be
9?
overwritten by 2. 2.
2.
How come? Okay, this we are not referring to global variable. It is inside function only. Inside function 2 will be there. Okay, outside function also the same value will be reflected without keeping global.
No, actually you said after function it is
50.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Did
yeah.
I mention global here?
no.
No.
If I keep global, then whatever the value inside this one, it will reflect. If I won't keep, it will treat as a new variable, right? Got it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, this
Can you actually
yeah, carry on.
you explained the previous program, right? Can you go to that program? Huh?
Yeah. See, equal to is different, update is different. This is related to update function. Okay, updating the value. Okay, here I am using with equal to. Whenever you are doing with equal to, okay, it will be gone case. It will treat as a new variable. Don't confuse between update and equal to. If the same thing I am doing with equal to list 1. See, now inside a function it will refer only column. Outside function it will refer the same thing. Okay, Naveen and Krish. Got it? Okay.
Yeah,
If the
okay.
same has to reflect outside also, I have to keep global.
Where is it? Global, okay.
List 1. Now it will reflect outside also column. Okay, is it clear? This functionality is clear?
Sir.
Okay.
Once executed once, just 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Okay, this function is clear, right? Now I am updating list 1 dot, okay, append.
Got it.
Okay.
Now I am appending. Okay, without global list 1 also.
Yeah.
Okay, with or without, it will give the same result. No need to
Okay.
keep global in case of update operation. Please don't confuse.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now I will take you to the one more type of function. That function we are calling as a anonymous function. Okay, right now what we are doing? Okay, we are declaring definition, function name, and we are declaring some variables and using, right? Okay, that is a normal one, like normal definition of function.
Mm-hmm.
Now, without doing that one also, you can do a anonymous function. Their functions won't be having a proper signature like a definition, function name and all. It is a kind of one-line statements. We are calling this one as a lambda expressions. Okay, we will use the lambda
Okay.
expressions now. Okay, now I declared one function. Okay, it is using lambda. What it will do was it will take the arguments and it will do only one expression. Okay, the result of this one. Now I will print the result of this one. Now if I give the sum of result, okay, I will call the function sum of 10 comma 20. Now see the result of this. It will print the result as a addition of these two things. It is a called as a one line expressions. We don't have a function signature, a def function name on declaring this one. This one we are calling as a lambda expressions. These are introduced in Python 3. The same way it is available in Java 8 also.
Okay.
We can do any mathematical function on that.
Yeah, we can do
Yeah.
anything you can do.
But it is only limited to 2 arguments.
Yeah, how many arguments you pass here? Only limited. It will return evaluate only one expression. I can pass 3 arguments also.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
Someone equal to. You can do make it 3 also.
I guess I need to give the argument.
Huh?
Okay, no.
Okay, this is called a lambda expressions or anonymous functions in a Python. It will be single line things, no need to follow a function signature and all. Okay, it will evaluate only one expression. Okay, this one only will be returned as a value after colon.
Okay.
Okay.